Profitable greetings to each of you. Another video, another good content right here in front of you. Once again, I will show you our robot for overclocking a deposit and what profit you can earn with it. Repetition is the mother of learning, as they say. And guys, don't forget about subscription and like under this video. Your support motivates us to make more videos. So let's go to work. Well, let's start work with our bot. First of all, the bot requests a subscription to the channel, and of course, we have subscribed to it for a long time. Then it's required to provide the ID and API key, which can be found on the exchange. Right now, I enter all this data and run a simple overclocking with a minimum threshold of $3K. We will, of course, work with the real money, and then we have to wait 1 minute while the bot collects all the necessary data. Imagine how many calculations a machine performs in 1 second, but here is a whole minute. The bot connects to the account and analyzes the chart. Now we can refresh the page because the first notification about the start of the first deal has arrived. As you can see, my balance has lost a bit of weight. I have withdrawn some of money, and now I continue to work with overclocking. The developers opened me 2 more attempts to work, but you yourself understand that all users can be overclocked no more than 2 times a month. This is important, because with such a development, it is not so difficult to rise sweet profit. What technology has reached? As always, the first deal turned into a plus. Very appetizing. And now the bot opens several deals at once. Note that they are all for a fall. This suggests that the bot has identified the price resistance level and now understands that its drop is expected. Not bad. The movement of the chart itself is readable, especially for a robot. See what is a down drone without the right to roll back. While the schedule is moving, I will tell you about my plans. Have you noticed how often we post content? At the moment, the videos come out every other day, steadily in the evenings. Before the new year, we decided to work hard, thought that we could then have a little rest. If you want to continue releasing the video in 22, don't forget to like and check the subscription, because this is the best assessment of our efforts. In 22, we plan to make more educational content, show the terms and figures and those analysis, hidden patterns and so on. So it will be very interesting. In the meantime, we were talking here with you. 3 deals were closed successfully in a row. Very good. We choose the minimum budget and therefore the overclocking process itself will be very short. Nevertheless, it's nice to see how it works for you and earn cash. A notification about new deals appears, and let's refresh the page as always. Oh, this time the bot determined the support level and opened 2 trades up. Clever and witty. At this rate, the bot can be limited at all, because everything really works clearly. Look at how confident the growth is when the resistance level is broken. Again, the algorithms see all this and can calculate in advance. A convenient thing for people, because our brain doesn't yet master so many computational processes. Do you agree? So while the schedule is moving, I would like to ask you, how are you going to celebrate this new year? Our community is growing, and if you like it when I ask any question during the video, write the answers to them in the comments, of course, so I will understand whether such content gets to you or not, because again, feedback is more important than ever. And right now, before your eyes, you see how harshly and clearly there is a pullback of the currency with a breakout of resistance. The result of the deal is obvious, and we are closing with a profit. The robot has completed its work, and now you are left with the question of what to do with the money received, because the overclocking was successful and gave us $3K to the deposit. Very nice and very cool. Let's summarize results. And friends, the third video on the channel is about our new robot for overclocking, a deposit on a broker. Especially for you, we show you how to set up it correctly, how to work with it and what result we get. My balance on the exchange is a confirmation. I refresh the page several times and you see that this is not a replacement for the code, but real money on the real balance. The conclusions are yours, but just remember that instead of investing in empty gadgets and wishes, you can influence the size of your wallet. The purchased iPhone will pay off only if you work on it, and if you just fulfill your wish list, then after a couple of days the emotion will go away and the money will remain spent. Nevertheless, the main thing, as usual, is to keep your head cool, to analyze and think over the methods of making decisions and of course to act. After all, you can lie on the couch and dream without doing anything. Everyone chooses for himself what future awaits him. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel, like this video and make crazy profits together with the Scalper bot.